Today is Thursday, July 12th. The time is 9:10 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011-2012 Panini Limited Basketball Break, break number 1. This break is sponsored by DCS Sports Cards. www.dcsportscards.com. Good luck, everybody. First card, Nets, Brook Lopez. Serial number 3/299. For the Heat, we have a Spotlight, Chris Bosh. Serial number 20/25. The Pistons, Greg Monroe, autograph. Serial number 77/99. For the Celtics, Kevin Garnett, patch. Serial number 7/15. For the Lakers, Magic Johnson. Serial number 147/299. Now let's see if there is a checklist in here. I didn't see one. The redemption is for 2011 Draft Class Auto Redemption. Player is 2011 Draft Pick Auto XRCK. I will have to look that up and see if I can figure out who that is. There's no checklist in there. And we'll add that to the notes for the links to the box break. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Currently listed for basketball, I have another 2011-2012 Panini Limited. For hockey box breaks ending today, 2011-12 Panini Titanium. For baseball box breaks, for 2012, Topps Tier 1, Upper Deck SP Signature Editions. For football box breaks, for 2011, Panini Gold Standard, and for 2012, Bowman Signatures, and the brand new 2012 Topps Inception.